On March 12, 2024, officers pulled over a driver swerving dangerously, suspecting impairment.
I'm Sergeant Connolly with the Key West Police. There's two reasons I'm stopping you. No lights.
Okay.
There's one.
Sorry.
The other, you almost hit the curb, and then you almost went into the left lane. Is there any legal reason for that?
Absolutely not.
Okay. License, registration, a couple of signs of impairment. Okay. I'm just going to tell you. I can see it in your eyes.
Yep.
Okay. I can hear it in your speech, and I saw it in your driving pattern.
I hear you.
Okay. So you telling me that you had a few. How many is a few?
Well, I've had a few. So, yeah.
Okay. Beer, wine, liquor. What was it?
Beer
Okay.
in Old Granite and Cold.
Connecticut? Okay. Where was your license? Did you have your license on you? Okay. Tell me where it is before you read it. Okay. Yep, go ahead and give it for me, please. And I'm going to be honest with you, I can smell it coming off your breath, okay? So all of these things that you're exhibiting are, again, signs of impairment. Where is it that you're staying?
Saddleback, 42 Beach.
Okay. And how many drinks do you think you had?
4.
Okay. And I heard you were drinking some beer and rum and cokes, is that correct? Or
No, I had one beer, and then I had a gin and tonic,
okay.
and then Jack and Coke.
Oh, Jack and Coke. Okay. So four drinks, 2 Jack and Cokes, 1 gin and tonic. Here, keep your head nice and straight. There you go. Keep your head straight. Just following with your eyes.
The man's continued poor performance on the sobriety test led to the firm conclusion that he...
Right now with you driving.
I would say that I would not go out tonight if I was
Okay.
with my granddaughter.
Okay. All right. Don, can I have you turn and face away from me? Face the Walgreens over there. Keep your hands behind your back. Walk over here just to the back of your car,
If
okay?
I said yes, would you let me?
This vehicle. Okay.
Okay.
So if you want to gather your belongings and step out, you can work on getting yourself a ride, obviously, and we'll stay here with you while that happens. But unfortunately, he's in no shape to be driving, okay? So
Of course. Donnie.
being arrested for DUI,
Okay.
okay, you're in no shape to drive yourself.
Right.
So
Right.
we're going to have to tow the vehicle, and you need to gather whatever belongings you have, and then get a ride. So we only have the one jail. He's got lights on at night. It gets attention, you know?
It's a rental car, so.
I know, but that's why I stopped you. Was not just the lights. It was also the almost crashing into the curb and then almost going into the left lane. So. But she was telling me like there's a police officer down here.
It's Key West, really?
That's got to be the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life. You don't think people have families here, and it's okay to drive drunk? Is that what you think?
No.
That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life. It doesn't mean Key West.
Shut up.
You're okay to drunk drive in Key West? Is that what you're saying?
No. People drink and drive in Key West.
On a court, or are you gonna go to jail? Because I have a whole extra empty seat and a whole pair of handcuffs with no wrists in them. So what would you like to do?
Look at you, you big man.
Don't worry, it's okay to drive
man.
drunk. We're in Key West,
Okay.
according to her.
My son is a fucking cop.
Take your purse off.
Excuse me.
No.
No.
Let's go. Let's
Oh
go.
my God, you fucking
Let's
asshole.
go. 19, we got the
Oh
other
my
one.
God.
Let go of the purse,
No.
man. Yes. You don't
No.
get to hold on to it.
Okay, let go.
You got yourself a charge. Congratulations. Completely avoidable.
I have daughters that I need to get
You
in
can
touch
call them
with.
from jail.
What is this?
Like you said, completely avoidable.
I have
You said you
daughters
wanted to
that
go
I
to
need
jail,
get
and now
in
you get
touch
from
with.
jail.
Okay, am I gonna get my phone back?
It'll be in your jail property.
Can I talk to my kids?
When you get
Can
to
I
jail.
talk to my kids?
When you get to jail.
Get in.
Okay, you stupid fucking asshole.
Drive because we're in Key West.
That was false.
The woman faced charges of resisting arrest, while her husband was charged with DUI, resulting in both spending a night of their vacation behind bars. What is your opinion on the officer's handling?